Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Instagram password without your old phone number, email address or password. So this is when you've already logged in to your account, but you want to log into the same account from a different device, but you don't have access to the old email, old password or old phone number. So follow each and every step shown in the video for you to reset your Instagram password. And if you find this guide useful, consider giving a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's begin. So now the first thing you need to do, you need to open your Instagram application and log in to Instagram account. So after doing that, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select edit profile. Now here under edit profile, select the last option, personal information settings. So it will automatically take you to personal details, whereby you'll see contact info and birthday. So click on contact info. Then select add new contact here at the bottom. So guys, you need to choose either to add your phone number or email address. So I'll add an email address. So click on add email. Now enter the email address that you want to add. Then choose the account. And guys, you need to note that if you add that email address, your primary email address will be replaced. So click on next. So a confirmation code has been sent to that email address you just added. So minimize Instagram and open your Gmail application. Open that email, then copy that code. Then go back to Instagram. Submit that code. Then click on next. As you can see, you have now added a new email address. So when you go back to home page, click on those three lines in the top right corner. Then select account center. Then select password and security under account settings. Now select change password. Select your profile. So now here guys, you see you need a current password for you to change a new password. But since we don't have any of those, we need to click on forgot your password here at the bottom. So now an email address has been sent to the email address that we added earlier. So minimize Instagram once more and open a Gmail application. So open this email that has a reset password link. So click on reset password. Now you'll be able to create a new strong password for your Instagram account. Now after creating your password, just click on reset password. And by doing that, you have now changed your Instagram password without your old phone number, old email address or password. So that's for today's video. If you find this guide useful, consider giving a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe.